which
And ticks entry and all. Yeah.
uh, speaking of, I'm going to turn on the tick reversal short. It's a good thing. Good thing. Good thing we have tick entry because I will be switching that to my actual
Funny,
account next
Dorian.
week.
Very funny.
What do you
I
say?
guess he just texts me when I'm talking about texting stuff. He's bugging me.
I respectfully ask you guys while I'm running the main room, please you can text me. I will not get back to you most likely until I take a break or after the main session's over. But yeah, I enjoy it. Here's the thing. It keeps me out of a lot of bad trades. It keeps me focused on the market. I got all day to do it, so I know I'm going to get my trade at some point. And
Those calls have certainly cost me big time.
it helps me stick to the rules because I can't I can't be up here being a gunslinger in front of you guys. What's so exciting?
Uh, Ken said
Oh,
Ludus
oh, oh,
closest.
because 6th century. Yeah. Oh gosh. Listen, guys. You know how many losing trades out of it was like 20, 24 trades yesterday the NQ would have had on 6th century? Do you know how many losing trades it would have had? You can click if Ken, if you click on the hamburger menu in the top left next to where it says Liberty, you can do a little drop down. You'll see my name, Paul's name, maybe Miss Paulina if she's in here. And there's three dots. You click on the three dots, and there's a private message option. Let me know if you see that, Ken. Yep, there you go. Um, okay. Um, all right. A lot of action here. Anyway, question. Answer my question. Guess how many losing trades 6th century had on the NQ yesterday out of like 24?
I don't know. I didn't have any, so
Exactly right, Scott. 3.
that's
It's
pretty good.
nuts.
It's pretty good.
Just 3, just on reversals and money line alone. That's it.
Tell you what, that reversal and money line is, especially on the NQ, is just insane.
It's ridiculous. The
Yeah,
reversal is ridiculous.
yeah,
As
the
long as you're
reversal.
not, as long as you're not doing it in these little flat areas, and you want either the blue 200 to have some slope to it, um, those usually pay off pretty well. I mean, look at this morning; it already paid off. I'm gonna be a little bit more cautious today because of how tight this price action is. Um, just a little bit more cautious on that side of things. Uh-oh. All right, 3 minutes of the open. Any questions on what we're doing? What we're looking at today. Any questions? uh, I think based on what we're seeing right now, we're close to calling that a good to go area. And what we saw yesterday, I mean, the price action of that area yesterday afternoon got a little choppy, but still some decent trades from it. But for the most part, everything before the afternoon, jock cap traded well in there. So, and I don't know, I had a level saved here, and I don't know why it's not saved. So I think there's a decent level right around that. Well, Lulu already had 73.50, so 73.50, 73.75, something like that. I mean, it just bounced off that 3 times yesterday. 4 times, sorry, 5 times. Actually, you know what? I'm convinced now. We can get rid of it. Let's lose it, jock cap. It is now a tradable area. You're free to trade around that area. I didn't like it before because it was just so choppy, and I just tried to keep you guys away from that. 2 minutes to relocate coffee pot, jock cap. All right. Let's see what we got here. I would think of maybe probably a whole lot of nada. Would be my guess right now, but we'll see. We shall see. Push up. Again, those of you who are newer to trading or struggling to be profitable, please lay off the open for a minute or two. Now, there's not a lot of volume in this open, so it's not hugely important today, but most days you need to just be a little patient. Now, I will tell you something, guys. If we get another push for the pivot and a decent sell signal, I'd sell that. It looks like your sell signal. Now, those who are profitable, this is a bigger M here on the ES and bigger M on the NQ. That's sellable right now. But only if you're already profitable and you're big green and all that good stuff already. Do you take something like that? There you go. Target's off.
Oh.
That was easy. Anybody do that? That's got permission to trade the open. That was a pretty easy one for you guys. I didn't have my chart ready to go, or I would
That was
on that one. Got to be somebody that did it. Dang, I should have pressed sub button myself. All right, a little bit. Let's see if this is the area. We got a little bit further down. Dag nabbit. I was ready to do that too, and I moved my mouse and wasn't prepared to grab the trade. See, that's passing on trades to try to get you guys a good winner. Nice, D nice. Yeah, that would have been. At least somebody got it. That makes me feel good when at least somebody gets it when I miss one.
Oh, I was
man. All right. My buddies told me they were going to sell this, but I didn't think it was going to happen like this. Jiminy Christmas. All right. Maybe we'll find a little support somewhere and find a little. Be nice. It's got a runner. She's got a runner on her hands. I'm assuming she probably got in around like 63. But she has learned to press that button when I say, oh, I see this right now. Do it. Did you do it on your own or you do it on my call, D Nice? CC525. Nice. Before you? Oh, sweet. Let me know next time. Let me know next time. There she is.
You know, I
What's
did
happening,
it
man?
in an account that was kind of like, you know, like it was, I lost on
Oh,
yesterday. So I thought, well, if it doesn't work, fine, you know. So I had that attitude. I don't know if I would have taken it otherwise.
okay. Well, I would have if I was close to my chart time to get it.
Yeah, it was, I mean, anyway, that was my point, is that maybe it was not
Yeah.
the safest
Thank you.
thing to do, but anyway, that's why.
Hey, what are you doing next Wednesday? You want to be on the mic?
Keep me
mic with,
company.
Coach Paul?
Sure.
Come
Yep.
keep me company.
I'll be there.
Yay.
Is he great on the mic,
She's
everybody?
awesome.
Just
Oh,
love
you're
having her on the mic.
sweet.
I love having Miss D Nice on the mic. She rocks.
Lulu.
Nobody took the NQ call that I called either, I guess.
Thanks, Tom. You guys are too kind.
Too kind.
Oh, PBR, you got the NQ call? Nice. All right. I feel way better. Nice, PBR. That's a
Megan's
day done for
killing
you,
it,
man.
by the way, too.
Oh, Megan is killing it. Oh, Megan did too. Great. Awesome, guys. That is awesome. Good job, guys. I know it was a bit of a last minute call. I'd like to see a little bit of rally to sell on from here, but let's see. We got to that 54 area, which I thought would see a little bump off of. I'm tempted to do a thank you, D Nice. Anytime, jump on and grace us with your sweet voice.
Get my second cup of coffee now while I'm waiting for. I'm gonna pull a is it Jack Hap?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get coffee so you guys
Yeah,
can get a
Jack
nice
Hap,
rally.
yeah. All right, let's get a little rally so I can sell it. Second pot of coffee. I think I'd have to be done after that trade PBR, especially on the NQ. That's a juicy one. Got to update some levels here on the NQ too. Here comes a rally. Shoot for a little money line trend with the trend trade here on the tick century. Little money line trade. Junky stochastics. If it gives me some kind of M or something, I'll sell it here on the main screen. Something. Okay, so our little support area there worked. What the heck? What is going on here?
Hello?
Hello.
Okay. No, I was trying to talk to D Nice, but she's gone.
Call her.
Okay, this is like a bad comedy sketch where one gets on and the other one gets off.
Oh, I kicked her off just to see whether.
That's so mean.
Oh, so I'm gonna try to get this on the sell signal here right now, guys. I'd like to see an M there. It's kind of in the middle here, but it is a little bit of retest from the early morning low. or that not pre-open low there. So if an M forms, I'll sell this. Something. Wait for it to get zone on dip to zone, maybe take reversal. M starting to form there. Wait, hold on a minute. I have some serious lag.
Yeah, I had to update mine too.
Hold on a minute. I'm gonna miss this trade too, aren't I? That's all right. There'll be another one. There we go. You know what? Give that a little bit of a. If that forms an M, I'm gonna put a sell stop one tick below the midpoint. And what's going on with these guys here? Oh, that not gonna do that. Didn't finish. Canceling that sell stop. And
Let's see here. I just missed it. Don't have anything on the NQ right now. I'm looking. And that yeah, it can bounce right off that 26, honestly, but I just wasn't comfortable with that. I'd like this to come down now. I'd be interested in the 77 long if it got down to 677 down there. That would be worth a shot.
I was talking in mute the whole time. Nobody got my 66 short call.
Apparently not. No. I mean, it was on your chart. I mean, you saw it. You could see it.
Sorry guys, I was in mute.
Wonder why you went silent.
I had to say something to somebody and then. All right. Well, sorry about that, guys.
I am short the.
You saw it? Okay. Hopefully you guys saw it. Sorry. I was sitting here saying, why is nobody doing this? I was screaming and yelling. This is like the best trade ever. It's exactly what I wanted to see this morning. There's a winner on the NQ again, $175. Should have pulled that target. This is going to be a runner. Sorry about that. I feel bad, guys. That sucks. Dang it. Lulu called it? Good. Good call, Lulu. Thank you.
Isaac.
Oh, yeah. I mean, anytime Lulu and my levels match up, you guys should probably trade from it. Dang. Sorry. Did some people get it at least? Some people got the short? I'm going to go a couple more ticks down on my stop to, I'm just looking back here at this little wiggle when it came up. I'm going to stay a tick behind that. So I'm going to use 64. Lock in some profits. If it takes my stop, oh well. If it doesn't, we're on the journey. You're in it now. Okay. Shorted at 24. Okay. Well, dang. Sorry about that, y'all. That sucks. I get the trade and don't get everybody else in. All right. I started muting myself, Paul, instead of turning my microphone off because it switches from screens all the time. And then now I don't have to because we have two screens up.
Yeah.
And will it, members, I guess you can get, are the members, you guys cool with 3 screens or? Well, I guess it's really for new people.
Yeah, it's for the new people that's confusing.
But can I just say something?
If you have to.
I know,
Always.
only if I have to. I think most people probably took that if they wanted to, if it was in their rule set, because well in advance you said what we were looking for. So
I did call this trade well in advance.
you were
That's
saying,
true.
let's look for a pullback. And then there was an M at the top of the zone. It couldn't have been, it was clear.
And first thing this morning, I said the ideal trade for me would be a pivot bounce.
So,
Thank you for saying
well,
that.
I just,
I appreciate
don't beat
that.
yourself up is all I'm saying, because it's like
She's being nice to you.
people should.
I try to get everybody I can.
Well, the whole thing that one of the things you guys preach is to know what you're looking for. So that's
Right.
the bottom line here. Is
true.
what I'm trying to say.
Yeah, we should be confluence for your trades. It shouldn't be the other way around that you're blindly taking every call every call we call out. That's true. That is what we preach. And I prefer it be that way. Now I need again. So speak about all the stuff we got to do. Now I need to update the NQ zones.
Yeah.
I'm going right off out of my zones.
$64, $61 at 64. Whoa.
Staying short, people. Just staying short now. If we can get below that 54 area this time, we should see a nice little trade on our hands here. Runner, runner, chicken runner. If that can happen. Did you get my updated zones, Paul?
I did on the NQ.
Okay.
Yeah, they
good.
came in.
Whoa. Okay. Somebody planned in advance. Do one. All right, we're starting to see a little chop here. I'm gonna leave my stop. It's a good profitable trade.
Might get another shot here at the NQ.
That's better. Okie dokie. Now we can go down another tick. It looks like got a high here of 42.50, 62.50. So we're going to 62.25, 62.75. Couple ticks. Is that right? High 62.50, 62.75. Stop. Good. Hey, Tom. Yes. I would wait for a little bit more structure on that trade, Tom. Like now, keep your eye on the indexes too. With the indexes dropping like this, usually the inverse relationship, Tom, but the inverse relationship on gold and the equities. So keep an eye on that. I would let gold. Yeah, I would make sure that gold gives you a really good like structured little stopping point, couple of candles with some wicks on the top side before I shorted it. That's what I'm saying. Okay, good, nice. All right, that's good. I mean, if the markets start falling, oh, we're flat now. They took the stops, and they're going to sell it back off again. I knew I shouldn't have pulled my stop that tight.
As I say, you're going to get another short here on the NQ.
Yeah, you got one coming up pretty nice. I don't know
Like to see
why.
a little
All right,
higher,
Paul, look at my tick sensor screen.
tick century.
So this is weird. My money line keeps disappearing on ES and NQ.
Oh wow. Yeah, it is gone.
Take a screenshot of that.
I just came back.
It came back on my ES because I turned it on and
Oh,
off.
okay.
But send that off to our wizard. Yes, we have an in-house wizard.
You do. You're getting the money. I kind of like this 77 here. Wait for.
I think that's probably a good idea, Paul.
Yeah, but
short.
yeah, but we could want to come up a little bit higher to that zone in that 200 there, but it might overshoot it a touch. Maybe let it come back down through and take it. That would probably be smarter. because it's pretty strong right now. See what it does here.
We'll turn the tick reversal on short, guys.
The tick reversal on NQ would have worked too.
Yes. Well, yeah, I guess it would. I like this as a sell area. I'm gonna turn the reversal
I
on
like it
both
too.
ES and for tick century reversal. Let that do its job. So that should reverse itself and see into another nice little profitable trade. And have you sent that in to Hugo? PBR?
Lost on money line has happened
He
to
lost
me.
his money line, like it just
Oh.
disappeared.
Yeah, when that turns off like that, take a screenshot and send it to Hugo. Let him be aware of it. Well, wait a minute, but he doesn't have that version.
Oh, Ken, you came back for another day. I'm assuming you're liking what you see. Odd guess on that part. Awesome, man.
Sure.
I think I saw you on my calendar for tomorrow. Looking forward to chatting with you. I like this as a short, people. I really do. Paul said it too. Just let it finish.
Just like,
Let it
as I say, just
down.
let it
Knockout,
finish.
this might be a good one for you, but
Don't get
I
too.
wish I'd gotten you in that
boom.
earlier one. The one I got into is what I want to jock cap in.
There was.
There you go.
I'm short.
And I was sitting here staring at my screen.